everyone, in this demo, I'll be showing how to deploy a MuleSoft application using MuleSoft vibes. So to begin with, let me first walk you through the project. Here, I'm opening a simple MuleSoft project. This is a basic project that contains a few flows, just to demonstrate the deployment process. I won't go deep into the implementation, but this gives you an idea of the structure we are working with. Now, let me switch to the endpoint platform. I will log into my account, and from here I will move into the sandbox environment where we typically manage deployed applications. As you can see, currently my application is not available here. Now I'll switch back and open Visual Studio Code where my project is located. From here, I'll open MuleSoft Vibes. I will give a prompt to deploy this application to Cloud 2.0 in the sandbox environment. Before actually deploying, I will first run this in plan mode. In plan mode, MuleSoft Vibes performs a complete analysis of the project. It reads all the project files, including the pom.xml, artifact.json, and other configurations to understand the application structure. Based on this, it suggests recommendations such as selecting the latest runtime or using standard configurations. It essentially builds a deployment plan for you. Once the planning is completed, you can review everything, and if everything looks good, you can proceed by switching to Act mode. Now, in Act mode, MuleSoft Vibes actually performs a deployment. In the background, it uses MCP servers, specifically the deploy Mule application MCP server to execute the deployment process. What it does is, it builds the application, checks for any errors, and then proceeds with deployment to the target environment. It also continuously checks the deployment status. Now, let's go back to the endpoint platform. If I refresh Runtime Manager, you can see that application is now getting deployed. Here, we can see the deployment logs in real time, and everything looks good so far. Once the deployment is complete, we can confirm that application is running successfully. It has also automatically assigned configurations like replica size and vCore based on the defaults. If needed, these configurations can be customized during the plan phase itself by providing inputs in the prompt. Now the application is fully deployed and running. I just wanted to highlight one important concept, the context window. This you see here is the context window used by MuleSoft Vibes. It's important not to exceed this limit. If it exceeds, there is a possibility of hallucination. However, MuleSoft Vibes is intelligent enough to handle this by creating a new task and carry forward relevant context from previous interactions. Still, as a best practice, it's recommended to stay within the context limit. Finally, all these operations, whether it's application creation, deployment, or verification, are powered by MCP server tools in the background. You can also integrate your own MCP servers if needed. And that's it for this demo. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.